Guys, my name is Pamela. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I just tried the onion juice on my hair. So if you're interested in finding out my results, keep on watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Let's get into the video. So you guys, I saw this onion juice on your hair trending. So since your girl is a farmer, I said let me prepare my own. So I ended up using only 2 onions, okay? Even one was going to be enough. So here's how I prepared my onion juice. I chopped my onions into smaller pieces like so that it will be easier to blend. I ended up using 1 white and the red onion. I did a little research on onion juice, so I found out that onion juice contains sulfur which minimizes breakage and thinning of hair, and it also nourished and regenerates hair follicles. It also contains antibacterial properties for scalp infection and dandruff control. I then blended my onions. I ended up using a little bit of water so that the blending process will be smooth and it won't be hectic, you see. So I ended up adding a little bit of water, then I blend. So to strain this, I use my old pulling sock. So you can use whatever, really. You can use your wig cap, your cheesecloth, whatever you have. So I ended up using my pulling sock to strain the I then put my onion juice in my applicator bottle, like so. And here is my onion juice. Now it's time to apply. Disclaimer: onion juice smells like onions and the smell is not pleasant at all. It does have a strong smell, and you also need to wear like an old t-shirt, because it will be dripping all over your clothes and it's messy and the smell, but we gotta do what we gotta do for hair growth. I then started to apply, making sure that every strand of hair is coated, and finger detangling as I'm running my fingers through, making sure that every strand of hair is coated. moving on to the front section of my hair, making sure that the onion juice doesn't come closer to your eyes because it will burn your eyes. So I was trying to be careful, but even though my eyes were starting to burn a little and the smell was becoming strong, you can see my eyes were beginning to burn a little. Onion juice. But I like the feeling of my hair though. It's soft. Like, yeah, I'm loving it. My hair is soft, you guys. Soft. So I wanted to make sure that every part of my hair benefits, and don't forget those edges. Then I apply some of the onion juice on my cotton pad, like so. Yes, making sure that everyone gets a fair share. I then applied my plastic cap and let my hair sit for about an hour before I rinse out the onion juice. This is about an hour later, and this is what my hair looks like, and my hair is soft, you guys. Wow, soft, like I can't believe it. Really soft. Now it's time to wash my hair with my all-time favorite shampoo, my Auntie Jackie. Then I scrub that. I scrub my hair like so. And I went in the second time with my shampoo to make sure that I get rid of that onion juice smell. And look at that definition after shampooing my hair only without adding any product, no conditioner, no what. Look at that definition. I'm shook.